I really like to thank the organizers and sponsors ng LBC 7-Eleven Smart for putting this event together. This was really intended to commemorate again the death anniversary of President Cory. But really very thankful in spite of the storm that passed. I mean, riders still participated in the ride as well as in the race. And only for really the cause of really helping our less fortunate insofar as cancer is concerned. No? Alam nyo naman, namatay si President Cory because of cancer. And there are many of our countrymen who suffer cancer and have very little resources to actually get themselves treated. No? So events like this are really a big boost for people who want to do that. And of course, we want to thank Carewell, the Carewell community that is really at the forefront of this effort. No? So maraming salamat talaga sa mga tumulong dito sa event na ito. Kaya sana suportahan natin ang Carewell at suportahan natin yung mga ganitong events na magbibigay ng awareness not only in the field of cycling, no, as a sport, kasi talagang gusto rin natin tulungan yung ating mga siklista na talagang namumuhay dito sa kanilang sport, no. Pero dahil sa pagpupursige nila at sa pagtulong nila, nakakatulong din tayo sa ating mga kababayan na nagkakaroon ng cancer, no. Kaya sana mapagpatuloy natin ito taon-taon at makadikom tayo ng pondo para dito sa mga nangangailangan.
Tulong itong naigawa ninyo para matulungan natin ang Carewell Foundation na siya talagang naging partner ng Aquila Foundation sa pagpunta na itong area ito.